So a clear sign of the top is when a stock is moving in a clear stair-step uptrend. This is a healthy pattern. It's building structure. You can see stair-step, 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 stair-step. And as we're going up, notice how volatility in the price movement is starting to increase. So that's your earliest indicator, these bigger swings, that things are starting to heat up and there might be an explosive move coming. And wouldn't you know it, right after that, we get our first gap up. But this first gap up right here, even though gaps normally fill, I wouldn't consider this a blow off top because we still continue to build structure and it was the first one. But then we have these 3 big candles. And when you have consecutive abnormal days like this, and then at the very end, you see a bigger gap up, that lets you know that, hey, this isn't sustainable and it's time to get out. And the confirmation of that was that huge red day we had just after. And if we're looking for other confirmation on the charts from our indicators, I'll just bring up what was hidden here. You can see on mean reversion, we are just spiked off the chart at 2.64. Again, anything over 2 standard deviations on the daily is a sell signal. And also RSI peaked up here. And if we go back to the recent history of MicroStrategy, you did not see any spikes in mean reversion since that huge run up at the beginning of 2024 that then led into this big period of consolidation. And again, I'm just going to repeat this from previous videos, but the most probable outcome after big moves up is for the market to find equilibrium in a sideways chopping and tightening range before it really tightens up and then decides where it wants to go. So if you were to take this chart and flip it on its head, these extreme moves down and these gaps in stocks can also be used on the flip side for identifying a bottom. Because just like an uptrend like this isn't sustainable, a downtrend like that also is not sustainable. And a V-shaped recovery on a downtrend is a great indicator that you may be bouncing away and have found that low.